going, man?
Good, how about yourself?
Alright, can't complain, man. What you running there?
I got 2 Sundown XV3 12s on a SCAR SKV 4500. Doors, man, they're thrown together. I bought them for, I got all the speakers for like 180 bucks off eBay.
Oh, you won then. You won. I'm telling you.
I'm 180 bucks, but I got 12 8s in the doors.
I bet it's loud. I know it's loud.
It's alright.
As many of them as you got.
It needs some tuning, man. I'm not familiar with DSPs. I just got back in audio again, so.
Hey, man, just slow the process.
Yes, sir.
I guarantee mine wouldn't be tuned as decent as it is and somebody else didn't do it. I didn't know what I was doing.
I'm on a stock alternator right now, so voltage is pretty bad. I'm 105 amp hour lithium though.
Good.
I turned the amp up a little bit today.
Man, I appreciate
They get a little smelly.
Yeah, I smell them. On stock alternator though, right?
Yeah, this one's stock alternator. It drops down to like 11.9 when I'm really pushing it. Because I'm pushing them right now. But
hey, bro, you did good though, bro.
my alternator just shipped out yesterday or Friday, so.
Are you gonna be here next week? Yeah, you be next week.
I'll be here next week. It'll be good. Turn up and all that shit. So.
Oh yes, sir, man. You doing good though, bro. I promise you.
I'm getting ready to wall it. So.
Oh yeah.
Have fun with the Trump bill, man.
Hey, I'm gonna see you next time with the wild, man.
Absolutely.
Are you on social media anywhere they can follow you?
I'm on Instagram. They can follow me at Jayden Luke, Jaydan. Last name Luke, Louk.
Okay.
And I got race car videos and stuff because I drag race too. So.
Okay, I'm gonna be sure to tag you so they can go follow you. Y'all gonna be at the Daily Hurt Show this year?
Yes, sir. I'm
Okay,
hoping to be walled by them, but I'm not sure yet.
Yeah, hopefully we'll see you there, bro.
Appreciate you, buddy.
Man. See you next time, man.